Hey everyone, Opera Browser stands out from many other web browsers because it comes with a built-in free VPN feature. This built-in VPN lets us browse with extra privacy by masking our IP address and encrypting our browser traffic whenever we want. We can boost our online privacy, access region-restricted content, or browse more safely on public Wi-Fi. Enabling the VPN in Opera is a helpful tool. Before we use these benefits, we need to know how to set up and turn on the VPN feature in the browser settings. This guide will show us how to set up and enable the VPN feature in Opera Browser safely and correctly. The VPN is built into Opera, but it is not always turned on by default, so we need to switch it on in the browser settings menu. This guide will help us find the privacy and security settings, turn on the VPN option, and adjust location preferences if needed. By following these steps, we make sure our browsing traffic goes through Opera's security server, giving us more control over our online privacy without installing extra software. Now let's go through the process in a simple way, so even if we are new, we can follow along. First, open your Opera browser. Once we're in the Opera browser, we go to Settings. We can find Settings in the upper left corner of the browser. Click the Opera or Opera Mini logo and go to Settings. Once in Settings, find VPN. This is our VPN. Click it now to turn it on. To enable VPN, we just need to switch on this option. We just need to connect to VPN. Restarting the browser may be needed. We can also let the default search engine bypass VPN if we want. We can manage more VPN bypass rules by clicking it. We can add here. Once it's on, we are now connected to the VPN. After turning on the VPN in Opera Browser, we can browse with more privacy and security. We'll see a VPN indicator in the address bar, showing that the feature is active. While Opera's VPN improves privacy, we still need to use safe browsing habits and know that it does not make us completely anonymous online. With the VPN setup, we can enjoy a more secure and flexible browsing experience that fits our needs.